can see the water rushing past you. It's super strong.
It's really strong.
We're on the hunt for the best beach in Bali, and we've come to one that's pretty famous on the island.
Yeah.
We're at Melasti Beach, which is a beautiful place known for its tall, towering cliffs, long stretch of white sand beach, and we can't wait to explore and see the sort of things you can do here.
This is a really beautiful stretch of beach, and although it's high tide at the moment, there's still plenty of beach to enjoy. If you stick around to the end of the vlog, we're going to show you a beach that's nearby to here. It's slightly lesser known, maybe not so much a hidden gem, but it's so beautiful and you cannot miss it if you're anywhere near Melasti Beach.
Let's go.
There are lots of beautiful places to sit and relax in this beautiful water. There's people swimming. Behind me there's some sunbeds as well that you can rent out. We asked the guy and it was 150k for 2 sunbeds, which is around £7 or £8. So not so bad, but we're gonna find our own little area, pop a towel down and just enjoy the beach.
It is a little bit windy today, but it's still super warm. There's not many clouds in the sky, and the wind's kind of like a nice breeze.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Look how below this water is.
I'm jealous of your wet hair.
You need to get in.
How do I look now?
Maybe sort the hair.
Hi.
Hi. What a vibe this place is.
This is so nice.
Bear in mind, we can come here any day, but we're here on a Saturday and it's actually not as busy as I expected it to be.
Yeah, it's really not. In the south, that's where all the best beaches are, so there's more people to choose from, which means each one is slightly less congested.
Yeah, for sure. But this one, there's something special about this one.
We've just enjoyed a bit of time soaking up the sun after our swim. Now we're going to go and explore a little bit. We've really enjoyed this beach. It's such a nice place to come visit. The sand here is so soft, it's so nice, and the ocean is incredible. There's not that many rocks on the bottom as you're swimming, so it's soft sandy bottom, which is the best kind of bottom. And we've not seen any surfers here so far. I don't know if it's a beach that you can't surf on, but so far no surfers. Even if there were, there's probably not going to be that many. I think it's quite rocky once you get past the swimming bit in the shallows, so that means it's a perfect beach for families to come and visit. Not got to worry about the kids bumping into a surfer as they're coming in. It's great for just hanging out all day because you got beach clubs and bars, places that you can eat at. It's a really easy beach to just come at and hang out for an entire day, swim, enjoy the sun, and just have the best time.
We are just taking a walk along the beach, and in the distance we can see some beautiful rock formations. We're going to walk past there and see if we can make it to Karma Beach, which is kind of part of Melasti Beach, but there's meant to be a really beautiful beach club there. We fancy a coconut. We know it's going to be a good view because the beach is so beautiful, so we're going to head there now.
Just walking through the rocks now. I got a stalker. Melasti Beach is about 20 to 25 minutes from Uluwatu. It's in the Bukit Peninsula, and on the map it's kind of like the halfway point on the very bottom southern side on the island. It cost 22,000 for us to get access to here. You don't then have to pay for parking when you arrive. 22,000, just over £1, which is pretty good. We're getting close to where we think could be Karma Beach, but if it's not, we'll just go get a coconut.
Yeah.
Behind me right here is literally Melasti,
Yeah.
and you just keep walking along and you reach Karma Beach.
Yeah.
So
I mean, I would say Melasti and Karma pretty much the same.
It's pretty much
beach.
the same thing. Yeah, not a lot has changed because we are on the same stretch of sand.
But yeah, we made it to Karma Beach and it's super beautiful. There's little rocks that you can stand on.
Yeah,
yeah,
so
it's really,
cute.
really nice. And there's also, you might have seen it, it's pretty iconic in terms of Bali content. It's like an escalator that comes down the cliff and you can enter the beach club from here as well, which is really cool. We probably won't get the escalator today, but we'll get some nice
Maybe
footage
next
of it.
This beach comes right up to some amazing cliffs that stretch out into the ocean. So we'll show you a little bit of Karma Beach, and then it's definitely coconut o'clock.
Definitely. Here we are, finally having a kalapa, and it's definitely needed.
Yeah.
Good. That is nice. It's not cold, but it is good.
It'll do.
It'll do. It's so sweaty.
I know. We just had a slight travel scare in that I left my wallet in the bike and not in a locked place, just in a pocket, and I just had to walk all the length of the beach and come back, and we got it.
And
all
now,
good.
now he's all hot, but now you get to have a nice coconut.
Hot and bothered, but the coconut will sort me out. We've finished that coconut now. It was definitely needed on a hot day like today when we've been walking up and down this long beach. We've loved Melasti, and now we're going to show you that other beach that we mentioned at the start. It's about 10 to 15 minutes away from here, and unlike Karma Beach, we do actually have to leave Melasti to go there.
We have arrived at our next beach and it was 12,000 rupiah to get in. Is that total?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, 12,000 total to get in, which isn't so bad. And this beach, although it is really beautiful and you're gonna be so impressed, we'll show you in a minute, but first, we've gotta walk down maybe around 300 steps.
We have made it to the bottom. We're at Green Bowl Beach.
So nice.
It's really nice. There's some tall cliffs which we obviously walk down and are casting some nice shadow now.
Yeah.
My red shoulders are quite grateful for that after
Need
a day
the
on
shade.
Melasti. It's a really small cove, more than like a beach. There's a cave here. We've been here. We walked all the way down those steps during high tide, and the beach was
Hardly existent.
basically gone. So definitely check the tide height before you come here.
That is a really key element of visiting Green Bowl.
Yeah, you don't want to come here when it's high tide. You don't want to have to just go straight back up all those steps again the moment you get to the bottom. Try and get here for low tide because
the rock pools are so beautiful. I can't wait to get in there.
it's a very popular surf beach, but the surf breaks are really far out. The rock pools kind of make like a little natural swimming pool area where the water's super calm.
So nice.
You can just have a nice refreshing dip without worries of big waves coming all of a sudden. And yeah, it's created like a really serene, amazing little paradise.
You talking about this is making me want to go for a swim. I think
time.
we should go. This is so beautiful. The tide is really strong.
Crazy.
You can really feel it pulling you off this way.
I think this would be quite a dangerous beach to swim at if the tide was too high.
Yeah.
Based on what this current is like right now.
Yeah.
It's, I mean, you can physically see the water moving.
If you go into Melasti or you're staying near Melasti, this is a really good beach to stop off at because it's beautiful, let's face it.
It's super beautiful.
The only negative is the stairs, but I mean...
steps. Get a bit of a workout in before you get to relax.
Yes. I'm being taken. Hold me. Literally. It feels like I'm on a slide or something.
You can see the water rushing past you. It's super strong.
It's really strong. Oh, this place.
I'm sat down and it's moving me.
It's like coming at more. What's happening?
It's like someone's...
It's beautiful.
Now you're drowning me.
Yeah, this is nice for me.
Yeah, but it's great. There's a few women here selling bracelets and coconuts and stuff. I don't know how much it all is, but yeah, you can spend a little bit of time here.
Yeah.
And it's a good beach to be at because of the shade.
Yeah.
If you've spent all day at Melasti.
Yeah, because of the little cave bit, it's really cool. We'll try and go in actually and show you the
we'll
cave.
show you the
That'll
cave.
be really cool.
It's got stronger.
It's taken us. If this vlog goes out,
Yeah.
who knows?
Yeah. Mom.
Who knows if the vlog goes out?
There was genuine worry in your eyes. Dread.
It was genuine worry.
There was legit dread in your eyes.
I thought I was gone.
So we'll show you the caves. I'm not going to win the first one because there's a few dogs rummaging through some people's bags, but it's just here. So at least if it's raining on this beach or at the height of day, if it's too hot, you can usually go in here. These dogs haven't been here very long. I think there's a warung and stuff upstairs that I think they live at and hang out at. And some of the women that sell coconuts and things on the beach, I think the dogs are rummaging through their bags. And then there's the temple cave. Thank you for joining us as we explored Melasti and Greenball Beach today. We had an amazing time exploring two beautiful beaches.
Yeah, and we would love to know if you think they are the best beaches. Well, if Melasti is the best beach, because
it's kind of widely regarded as, but
yeah.
Let us know, is it? Do you
Let us
think it
know.
is? Because there's some pretty epic spots throughout Bali.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us and we'll see you next week.